Choosing the best KadenceWP plan depends on your website's needs and budget. Here's a breakdown of their plans to help you decide. You can use the link in the description to try KadenceWP. The free plan is ideal for trying out KadenceWP before committing to creating simple websites. It includes starter templates, design patterns, Kadence theme, Kadence blocks, and 250 AI credits. The Essentials plan for $149 per year is ideal for creating professional-looking websites using advanced block functionalities. It includes everything in the free plan: Kadence Blocks Pro, Pro Starter Templates, Pro Design Patterns, custom fonts, and 4,000 AI credits. The full plan for $219 per year is ideal for building e-commerce websites and wanting access to all KadenceWP products and future releases. It includes everything in the Essentials plan: Kadence Conversions, WooCommerce Shop Kit, Child Theme Builder, Kadence Recaptcha, access to all plugins and future products, and 8,000 AI credits. A lifetime full plan for $799 at one-time payment is ideal for long-term website commitment and wanting lifetime access to all features and updates. It includes everything in the full bundle plan, including 16,000 AI credits. Here's a quick recommendation. For simple websites, a free plan is enough. For professional-looking websites with advanced blocks, the Essentials plan. For e-commerce websites or wanting access to all features, full plan. For lifetime access and commitment, lifetime full plan. Remember, KadenceWP offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try any plan and see if it fits your needs.